Hello. Alright, let us now start building our first app. So, the first app is a resume app, and I want the resume app to look like this. It has your name, your address, and the various stuff that a basic simple resume will contain. Right? Let us now create this app. First, we have to import the Flutter material.dart package. Package Flutter material.dart. Okay, so this import statement imports libraries provided by the Flutter SDK, right? And this material.dart is a very important file because most of the widgets that we use in Flutter implement the material design which uses the material.dart package. Okay, all right. So next, let us type void main run app. Let us call it my app. Okay, okay. Let us call it resume. Resume. Okay. Now, like any other programming language, Flutter also has this main function in which we write the statements that are to be executed first when the app starts, right? So this main app is the first thing that Flutter executes, and these are the statements that are the first things that need to be executed, right? So run app is another function which in turn takes a widget as its argument and makes this widget the root widget of your app. So the the um, the run app function run app's functions work is to make this widget as the root widget of your app, right? You just have to understand that much. And now let's create. Okay, so you see this red squiggly lines. It's because the IDE does not understand because we haven't created this app this widget yet. So let us create this widget. Type st on your keyboard. You will see a new stateless widget. We want to create a new stateless widget. Press enter, and you see that the IDE makes the stateless widget for you. Type uh, resume, and now the IDE recognizes that resume is another widget, and so the squiggly lines are gone, right? Now we have created a stateless widget called resume. All right, let us try to run this and see what happens. Score my aha, it's a blank window. Okay, so now let us print hello world on our screen just to check if our app is working. So before you start, uh, we have to we have to return the material app class. So before this container, I will write material app. This material app is the core component of the Flutter app. We can access the basic widgets, most of the basic widgets in a Flutter app using this material app. And this material app is in turn provided by the material.dart package. And so let us return material app, and if you press control and hover over material app, you'll see um, that it has various properties, right? And the one thing that we require is this home because it returns a widget. Okay, let us type home, and let us type text and say hello world. Okay, so text is another widget which has these many properties. uh, the first thing is the string. So we are inputting hello world in um, what do you call this, double quotes. Yeah, we are inputting hello world in double quotes, and let us now try to run this hot reload hello world. Right, you have now created your first app which prints hello world on your mobile application. If you want to make this look a bit better, you see that hello world is covered by the notification bar. If you want to make this better, you can wrap this wrap this text widget in a widget called safe area. So what you do, go to text and press alt and hit enter. Right, you will get different options to wrap the widget. So let us wrap with widget and call this safe area. So safe area is a widget which allows the content to be away from the notification bar, the different notches, the camera, that might block your content, right? So let us hot reload and check. See, it's no more being blocked by the notification bar, and it looks good, right? Okay, so now you've created your first app, and it prints hello world. Hooray! Okay, I will see you in the next lecture. Until then, happy coding. Bye bye.